everyone, Severista here, and today I'm back with a new video, and this time we're just gonna fill some pages in my sketchbook. So I know it has been a while and I don't have an excuse actually, but it's just that life is too much right now. Like, I am so done with Corona, with everything, and it all feels so endless. And yeah, I have been struggling this past year actually, and even art, I didn't enjoy it anymore. However, today I just gave myself a little kick. And yeah, I just wanted to draw something for fun, and I wanted to use my equaline colors because I haven't used those in a while. And yeah, I just really wanted to do something in my sketchbook without worrying that I need to post it or something like that, because yeah, I have been taking it easy lately. And I think half a year ago I just posted every week on Instagram, and I noticed that I just didn't enjoy it anymore. I was drawing because I had to, because otherwise your engagement will drop, and it has dropped. I think it has dropped for everyone because Instagram just sucks a lot, and yeah, it just has been very demotivating, to be honest. And I decided that it's time to think about me instead of, hey, you need to make art even though you don't want to, because I just want to watch K-drama and lay on the couch because I am tired of work. I'm still doing my full-time job from home. I've been working from home now for so long, I don't even know how it is to go to the office, like how it was. In the summer, actually, it went a little bit better because we were able to come into the office for a couple of days. But yeah, as you know, it's going very bad right now. So we were told to work from home again. Actually, it is great to work from home because now I get enough sleep. I have so much less headache, and I think that's all great. And I don't really like the public transport anymore. So yeah, it hasn't been all bad, but not seeing people for like weeks is not so good for you. And I didn't know that it would have such an impact on me. I'm quite an introvert. I like being alone, but yeah, after almost 2 years, even I can't handle that anymore. Yeah, so even art wasn't fun anymore, and yeah, it's just really, really difficult. But for today, I created this video. I just wanted to paint, and this was so great and relaxing. I didn't have to think, even though it could fail, but that's not important because it's not about failing or something like that. It doesn't need to be pretty. I'm just gonna drop on some very nice colors and create this painting. And yeah, even though the autumn colors are already kind of gone, I mean, all the leaves have fallen here, I think, I still just wanted to draw and paint the autumn leaves because that was something I really wanted to do, but I just couldn't find the time and the motivation to do it. But today I felt like today's the day, so today we're painting, and it has been great. It was super fun, and it all actually worked out. I mean, sometimes things go wrong and then you're like, oh, I can't take this anymore, I don't want to do this anymore. But today everything went fine and it was fun, and I just had a good time actually. So yeah, anyways, as you know, I wanted to post more videos this year, but I just can't. And I think I've explained it a lot of times why I can't and why it's so difficult. Sometimes your creative vibe is just gone, and mine has been gone for some while, I think. But yeah, I'm slowly getting into it, and I just try not to push myself that hard because that's not gonna work. Even though you might think that would work, it's not working out for me. So I'm just taking my time, and I draw when I want to draw and when I feel like it. And I think that is the most important thing. And art shouldn't be something that I will start hating It has always been something that I love to do, but it has always been something that I felt like I had to do, if you know what I mean. If I didn't draw, who am I? So yeah, it just has all been very hard and difficult, and sorry for talking so much, but I'm just really proud that I will put out this video today, because I have been a little scared, because it has been so long that I've posted a video and I felt like maybe I shouldn't do it anymore, even though that I like it so much. But yeah, I'm gonna do it, and I just really hope you like it. And yeah, I just wanted to know that I'm fine and I'm just struggling, but it will be fine. And I hope that with this video I started something to post a little bit more often, but I'm not gonna push myself. I'm gonna post whenever I want and just when I feel that creative vibe again. But yeah, anyways, I really hope you liked seeing me paint again. I just had a lot of fun with these trees, and I think it worked out very nicely. They're very pretty, and yeah, we also filled some pages in my sketchbook, which was also a resolution of mine to work more in my sketchbook. So hey, I did 2 things today, great! Striped it off my checklist. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're all fine, and please stay safe, and just know that it's okay if you're not feeling okay. It is a difficult time, and yeah, we will be fine in the end. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, bye bye!